Rosemary is part of the Lamiaceae family, also known as the mint family. It is a woody herb with fragrant needle-like leaves and is an evergreen that can withstand extreme droughts. Rosemary has also been found to include a number of health benefits, and in this video we are going to list the top 5. Rosemary is known as a brain tonic due to its seeming ability to improve memory and concentration. It stimulates the circulatory system, which brings more oxygen to the brain, and has been used for elderly dementia patients for many years. There is a neuroprotective effect in rosemary due to the specific acid found within it. The compounds in rosemary tea may be able to help fight infections due to their antimicrobial properties. Rosemary leaves have been used in traditional medicine for hundreds of years to aid wound healing. The essential oil can be added to antifungal creams or ointments to aid in healing. Rosemary leaves have been used in traditional medicine for hundreds of years to aid wound healing. Rosemary oil has been known to reduce androgenetic alopecia by preventing a byproduct of testosterone from attacking your hair follicles. A study showed that when people with alopecia areata rubbed a rosemary essential oil blend into their scalp each day for 7 months, 44% showed improvement in their hair loss, compared to only 15% in the control group. It has been shown that stress levels can be eased by simply smelling rosemary oil, as it may reduce levels of cortisol, which is a hormone that can have harmful effects on your body. In a study where adults sniffed rosemary oil for 5 minutes, their saliva had 23% lower levels of the stress hormone cortisol compared to those who smelled a non-aromatic compound. Rosemary is a mild stimulant, well known for increasing circulation. It has been used for problems with the cardiovascular system, poor circulation, and low blood pressure. Rosemary is known to have a mild pain-relieving effect, which is mainly caused by its ability to open up the blood flow to the brain.